In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run JavaScript code in Replit, a comprehensive tutorial. By the end, you'll know how to start from the Replit homepage, choose a JavaScript starter, and get your code live with a simple publish and preview flow. Begin on the Replit homepage. In the search bar at the top, start typing to filter the templates and look for the option that says, Run a basic website with JavaScript code. This starter gives you a minimal HTML, CSS, and JavaScript setup so you can see changes quickly. Click that card to open it. If you see any prompts or highlighted tips appear, just click through them so you can proceed. Next, choose Start to spin up your new project. Replit will prepare the files and environment for you. When your project appears in your workspace, click into it to open the editor. You should see files like index.html and script.js. That's where your JavaScript will run inside the page. Open the Build section in the left or top navigation, depending on your layout. Then go to the Plan area. You may see Plan appear more than once as a confirmation. Click through each prompt until it's selected and you're back in the main workflow. This ensures your project is using the basic iterative setup designed for quick edits and testing. Next, choose the option labeled Make, Test, Iterate. If that label appears in a couple of places, or you're asked to confirm it again, click it each time. This is Replit's way of guiding you into a fast feedback loop where you edit code and immediately validate the results. When you're ready to share or simply view the app in a separate window, click Publish. You may need to click Publish more than once as the dialog advances. Continue by selecting Publish your app when prompted. If you see any highlighted fields or confirmation areas, click them to proceed. Then finalize again with Publish your app until the publishing step completes. To view your JavaScript running in the browser, click Preview. If the preview doesn't load right away or you've just made a change, click Preview again to refresh. You should now see your site and any JavaScript behavior reflected live. If something looks off, return to the editor. Make your changes in script, JS, or index.html, and use the same publish and preview flow. Give Replit a moment after each action so it can build and deploy. That's it. You've opened Replit, chosen a JavaScript starter, moved through build and plan confirmations, published your app, and previewed your JavaScript in action.